guys. We're putting the 240 away today. I'm renting a garage space from somebody. They're super cool about it. The driveway's a little steep. We're probably gonna have to take off some side skirts and stuff once we get there. Angel and I spent the whole morning running around gathering oil and other shit for, ooh, I gotta grab the oil filter. Oil and shit, and a car cover. So we're gonna go get this thing put away for the winter, sadly. Doesn't mean the projects are gonna stop. Just means it's not gonna be in my garage right now. But we're gonna get that shit going. We'll see y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so we're already over to the garage. It's actually already in the garage. Angel was too busy sending a tweet that he missed me like halfway destroying my front bumper. It's alright though, the little scrapes on the bottom. We got this cozy little space heater. First thing we gotta do is get the side skirts off and get it up on jacks, and then we're gonna change the oil real quick, and then we're gonna skedaddle out of here. The cold side instead of using the hot side.
Way back then, I was a heavier size.
For real, man, I wish.
Alright, Jeff got the car on jack stands, so now he's getting under, taking out the drain plug so we can change the oil. Pray for him.
I feel like
Shout out Paul Walker. Alright guys, so the last thing we gotta do, we already got the old oil out. We gotta just change out the oil filter. I didn't have an oil filter wrench. Apparently my aunt had one. Strange, but whatever. So we're just gonna swap that out, get the new oil in. For all the SR20 guys that know SR20s, turbo SR20s. Where's it at? There it is. Rotella T6 heavy duty diesel oil. Especially because I'm on E85, corrosive oils are really an issue, or corrosive fuels, not corrosive oils. Corrosive fuels are an issue. So, diesel oil. Makes sense. Reddit said it's true, so we're doing it. Let's do it. Right, Danny?
what everybody says.
Everybody says. Alright, guys, so the oil filter is stuck. So now we're back at Danny's house, trying to get the right nut for the end of the oil filter so we can break it loose. The oil filter socket things that my aunt has was not the right size. It kept slipping off, so hopefully Danny's got the right size socket so we can break this thing off. I also texted Javier to, borrow him from work for 5 minutes to get him to break it loose. So we trying. But this blue interior STI though, Danny's really about this STI life now. He even has a vape. Catch you guys when we get this tool back. Alright guys, so everything's done. The car is wrapped. It has fresh oil in it for the winter. Springtime. It's mouse proofed. If you guys don't know how to mouse proof things, go to Walmart, pick yourself up a package of Fresh Boy Irish Spring soap, and just put it wherever mice can crawl. Mice don't like that or mothballs, so I got my car covered in shit. However, mothballs smell like ass, so Irish Spring soap is like $4 for an 8-pack. I got a couple in the engine bay, a couple on the inside, one at each wheel, a couple in the trunk. That will keep mice out, keep my car smelling super fresh. Shout out to Danny for getting the actual oil filter off. We had to call in Javi, but Danny strong-armed it before Javi got here. I ruined my blue sweater that I was wearing in the beginning of the video with oil. Maybe I'll do a quick tutorial on how to get motor oil out. But that's it, guys. Car's wrapped up. Everything's done. It's cold. I want soup. I'm gonna go get soup. Yeah, I'm gonna get soup. I'm gonna get soup, guys. So that's it. Catch y'all on the next one. TJ Hunt, if you're watching this, fucking let's hang out. Or Adam. Yeah, Adam. You know what, Adam? Sorry, TJ. Adam, I got a little beef with you for not inviting us to the open house, but it is what it is. It's, you know what? Starting internet beef with Adam LZ. He don't know us. We know him. So we got beef with Adam LZ now. I'm declaring it. Adam didn't invite us to the open house and for us to get drunk and.
Man, Tupac Biggie?
Damn.
Wow, bro.
Adam LZ, TJ Hunt, Tupac Biggie, huh? Or we Tupac? No, I don't want to be Tupac. No, they both died. Oh.
We the guy on the side like, outside looking in. Damn, that's fucked up.
Suge Knight.
Oh no, we ain't Suge Knight.
Well, that's it, guys. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Let's get it.